bridging the gaps in knowledge, foresight, and client relationships, all with the help of data. One source of this data in veterinary medicine is a pet health agency like Trupanion. Its Chief Member Experience Officer, TJ Houk, says the true value comes from sharing data insights with the veterinary community.
We get data from a lot of different sources for a lot of different purposes. We have a broad data and analytics team. Now with our Trupanion Express software, that information is submitted directly to us and it comes across digitally. What we also want to do is take that information that we're getting about what types of conditions we're seeing and what types of treatments are trending within those conditions, and we want to provide that information back to the veterinary community. I mean, there's so many challenges within the profession that any tools and resources that we can provide are things that we're really excited about.
While this data can be educational for veterinary professionals, there's a real practical benefit for clients. Houk says veterinary teams can communicate common conditions and treatment trends to new clients so they can be better prepared with appropriate pet insurance.
When I think about first-time pet owners, it's a time of uncertainty and they don't necessarily know what's going to come, and by having information about some of these things that may happen, they can create better plans and they can be sort of comforted in that knowledge. In a lot of cases, people end up being really focused on my pet at this stage. They have their new puppy and they're talking about puppy things, but being an uninformed pet owner means really being informed about what the lifetime of that pet looks like. So by providing all of that information, I think it's really important for helping the veterinarian to build that lifelong relationship with their client.
So data can provide education for the veterinary community and foresight for the client, but Houk says it can also help connect the dots among care providers.
One of the things that is really powerful from the type of data that we get that a lot of other partners of veterinarians or people in the industry, partners, a lot of other folks won't get is the connection between various practices. So we will see it if a client is going to their primary care and then they need to go to emergency and to referral centers. And there's very few data sources out there that are going to make one nice clean picture about that. And we're going to have that information. And so that really helps understand the overall trends, again, within the veterinary community, as well as being able to understand effectiveness and things that may lead to better patient care.
For more informative insights from Trupanion, visit trupanion.com/veterinarians.